new glove goofing. Alright, what's going on, guys? Your boy Hollywood here, and we are at the Dynasty store in Atlanta, and we're about to head to the race spot. Me and Sparks here are going to go to the race spot and go see who's all out there, see if we can run it a couple times, see what we do. I've never actually roll race this bike, so it should be a good little time. We got Fab Media, Mr. Jake. Yes, sir. We're pulling up to the race spot, baby. We just saw a cop pass by, so we don't know if it's shut down yet or not, but I see a bike right there. Let's see what's going on out here. A little race Sunday. Yes, sir. Everybody's out here. Let's go. Oh, that's B. I did.
You just got here?
No. Well, here to the spot, yeah.
How long you been here? I just got here.
Yeah. I've been in Atlanta since yesterday.
Do I know?
That's Sparks.
What, bro? I'm sitting there like, damn, we were gonna make it here.
Yeah, it's kind of far out here. Huh? Sure.
Oh,
hey,
shit,
man.
Lando. Here we go, Orlando.
Thank you.
Here we go.
He don't want to do nothing. Not after what I saw yesterday. He don't want that.
Oh my God. Hey,
He
man.
don't want nothing after what I saw yesterday.
Hey, look, all that beautiful paint, that's like 5 extra horsepower, right? Hey, where's your jacket?
Yeah, we got Mr. Tony here. We got Scorpio coming with us about the race. I don't know. I know this V4R can tear me up. Man, we got Lils out here on a race bike. She's probably going to gap the hell out of me. I know for a fact. Oh man, we got more out here. Yeah, it's about to be a bad day. But you know, I don't ever duck no smoke now. I'll take some smoke. Oh, there go Mungus right there. Whoa, why my bike just cut off? That boy Mungus. There's too much traffic. We ain't gonna race. Hey, Mungus is moving, boy. What in the world? Why does my bike keep shutting off? Something's going on, man. Here we go, round 2. they still left me. Damn. I don't know. There's something going on my bike though. Yeah, I think it might be overheating. I don't know, man. It's just shutting off. I've never had this happen before. It just crunk up weird when I lived down in AC, and it's like, that might be my chain. Maybe. What the? Oh, no.
I mean, he's light to be fair, but like, still, the bike's got it in it. You know what I'm saying? Them cakes is good, I love the jet brake. That shit is comfortable. Bro, it's a couch.
Hey. Huh?
How many links? He got you.
Man, it was about a school bus and a half. I can't like, it was bad. Mungus is out there too. Mungus fucking took off, man. Like, if I'm not mistaken, I got the hit, but he came right beside me. I was like, damn. Yeah. That shit was crazy. They all took off. I'm still like full tucked, and when on the way back down, it went dash, like past 185. So I knew I may have touched 200. I don't know, but I was also going downhill. It's pretty long. Yeah. All right, we got the homie Sparks here. We're about to go run it real quick. Get a couple runs in. Probably gonna run down, run back. Cause he said he's nervous. This is his first time out here at the race spot. Yes, it's different, man. It's different out here. As you guys seen from those other pools, it is fucking different. Yeah, I mean, now I know, like, this is a stock bike, so like now I know what it needs to perform, even though, you know, I'm not really trying to look for performance parts and go full yeet. I'm just trying to have a little fun out here, you know. So like a simple tune might even give me what I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need to go full bolt on and throw a bunch of money at a build. I can keep it fun, kind of classy, you know. I ain't got to go buck wild with it. Welcome to the race spot, Sparks. Probably gonna have to go down and come back just because too much going on now, too much traffic, you know. Right? The bike is still acting a little weird, even though she's a little more cooler now. I don't know. Up! So going back, it's the end of the guardrail going back this way. I'm just trying to let it clear up a little bit.
This motherfucker's
I wanted to let it clear up a little bit so we get a good run in. I wanted to clear up a little bit so we get a good run in.
Yeah, I jumped on you right here.
Yeah.
I hit the jump on you.
Yeah.
How close were you?
It wasn't even close.
You got me in the last one.
Yeah.
I missed fourth. I stood it up, and then I missed fourth, and I was like, fuck. Man, this fun is a motherfucker.
Huh?
Fun.
He says cool? Damn, brother. He got me, he got me. After that right there, I think she's getting a little hot. She's getting a little hot, Mike. So she needs a little rest. So we're gonna hang it up after that. I thought I had him that race. I thought I had him. Hey, I hit neutral.
I thought you did. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah. Man, I think if I wouldn't have hit neutral, I think that would have been another win right there.
I don't know, that might have been tight.
Yeah, because we were right there when we both hit. Damn.
That was crazy. This bike is stupid. I've never hit it down low like that. It's stupid.
Alright, let's go and wrap up the video. We got the bat, the infamous bat here. The freaking beautiful machine. This thing is absolute nuts. As you guys saw, I did run it a couple times. Like, unintentionally, he was just so happened to be out there when we were running it again and we lined up together. But yeah, if you guys, there he goes right there, the man with the plan. Yes, sir. I was talking about the bat a little bit, how I like it, how we unintentionally rolled together and you left me. Yeah, this thing is a machine, man. It's crazy.
It's a little better. The pollen on it, so it ain't glistening. It was
Man, the pollen is crazy. I don't know what happened. It's crazy.
It was like, yo, what the heck, bro? I let it outside and idle for warm up for like 3 minutes. I came back. I was like, bro, I just cleaned this inside.
Yeah. Like Scorpio was getting on me at the meet. He was like, man, you know that's not how we roll with ATL. You gotta wipe this motherfucker down now.
Everything. You can be slow or whatever, just as long as you look good.
Right. Well, I was like, I just wiped it down before I left now. I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
The pollen's just crazy.
But I mean, enough about the bat, bro. The duck, bro. Come on, man.
Hey.
Like, what's up, man?
Oh, it ain't nothing special. You know, just a little paint job.
Man, ducks, man. My 1199, it's still, I haven't found a bike that had as much character
Yeah.
as that. And I feel like when you have a Ducati, you can only get that feeling from a Ducati.
Right, right.
So much character. But it looks good. The bearings look good. Who'd you get? Monster bearings?
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah.
Got down with the get down.
Yeah, man. I saw your video. I was like, oh yeah, gotta go Monster Fairings.
So I'm on my second set of Monster bearings. And haven't had an issue.
Yeah.
And you know how I ride,
Right.
bro. And
Yeah.
this is even being at the racetrack. Have not had an issue. And I'm like, all right, they got it.
Right.
I was about to go ask about this. Tag in there too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
guys. Yeah.
They're doing looking good, man. I like it.
Oh yeah.
So I gotta ask a question you get asked all the time. BMW or the Duck?
Man.
I know they different. I know they different. But what is it, man? BMW or the Duck, my boy? It's tough, ain't it?
It's tough because, you know, the BMW, it got cruise control, heated grips. It comes with that stuff.
Yes,
But the Ducati,
yeah.
you get that raw power. I'm gonna have to say Ducati, because like coming from different bikes until I got to the BMW, I didn't have cruise control and heated grips. So like, you know, kind of going back to what I started on, like not having all that stuff. So Ducati all day.
I feel like the BMW, and this is, I hope it doesn't sound bad, but I feel like the BMW is the best bike on paper, and it is actually the best bike on the road that you can get.
Yes, sir.
But the Duck is just, it's different.
It's different, man.
Different, bro. It is different.
It's different.
BMW. I know the Ducks are different, bro. They just different. So.
It's definitely different. That's why I got it. I wanted to be different. You know, I had my time with the BMW. I was like, let's switch it up a little bit.
Good switch up, man. Good switch up. Cool, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I know you recording. I just came over here and holler at you.
Yes, sir.
Cameo real quick.
I got you, man.
All right,
But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up, man. Like you were saying, like the pollen is just crazy. Like, oh my goodness, I don't know what happened. We've only been out here for probably like 30 minutes, but even after 5 minutes, like he was saying, like the pollen is going crazy right now. But if you guys enjoyed that video, I know this is not my typical video that I'd usually make, but when you're in ATL, when you're in Rome, you do that as the Romans do. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below your favorite part of the video, whether it was Mungus gapping me on the bat or me gapping Sparks and then Sparks gapping me. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget, where you get right, say don't get caught in the rain. Keep chasing greatness. And we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.